Hello all, in this video we will quickly see the best way to create a simple project by using Maven for Selenium WebDriver. So we are going to create a Maven project in a very simplest way. So let me enter into Eclipse. Let's go to new and project. Here we will select Maven project and again this Maven project option, then we need to click on next. Instead of going for use the default workspace location, we should create a new simple project, and here we can give the project folder. So to give a project folder, we can do one thing: we can create a brand new folder in any of the drive where space is available. Let me go for D drive and create a new folder. Let's say the project folder name is test project Maven for Selenium. This is what the project name. So I created this folder. Let me select the folder name. It is reflecting over here in default workspace location. Let it not be default. Let us do not enable this option. Simply we need to click on next, and here it will automatically ask group ID and artifact ID. Let's say the group ID is scenario set2 and artifact ID is also scenario set2, and here we will click on finish. Yeah, scenario set2 project has been created and it is reflecting on package explorer. As you can able to see, I enabled it. It is highlighting in blue color. Now let us expand it. We can able to see source main Java, source main resources, src test Java, src test resources, JRE system library, again src and target. Many folder structures are there, and again we can able to see one pom.xml file. Here this pom.xml file can be used for adding the dependencies. So as we did earlier, we need to get the dependencies of Selenium WebDriver. So let me copy dependency for Selenium WebDriver from Selenium DEV again, and let us do one thing: add the dependencies and close the dependencies. Fine, and here let's copy the dependency for Selenium WebDriver in between. Fine, now let us do one thing again. Let's check Maven dependency. Automatically the Selenium jar files has been added. We can able to see Selenium jar files over here. Fine, once you will see this, once we will add this dependency, it will automatically, when we will save the file and or make Control S, here automatically these jar files will reflect. So our job is done. So POM task is done for us. Let us close it. Fine, let us close this, and let's decide where shall we write our main script. We should not think very complex way right now. Let me pick any of the folder like src main Java. Let's create a new package over here. Fine, so let's say my main script, and let's click on finish, and here let us create a new class. Let us say the class name is simple lunch test. This is what the class name, and it is a main class. So my script program is ready, and here for the faster execution I just copied the common code. So let me copy this common code from here let's enter in Eclipse again and paste it over here. So WebDriver, I should import org OpenQA. Firefox driver, again I should import org OpenQA Selenium Firefox driver. Now let's launch. Rediffmail site. Any application we can launch, but okay. So login page. Fine. So for launching, as usual, we should use .get method, and here it will ask for URL. I have already opened the application, so let me copy the URL from the application itself. Here, yeah, this is what the login page URL, and let me put it over here inside get method. Yeah, my job is done. Let's say sysout and sorry, we are in Rediffmail login page. Yes, 1 2 3 4 again. Fine. Now what we need to do is we should execute this code now, because we want to get the output as the application should get invoked. So before that, I have already tested, so it's reflecting, so I cleared the console. So let me just execute the code. I right clicked on the main script and I am trying to execute by using run as Java application. Here we go, we should click on OK. Let's wait for some time. Yes, now it's launching the Firefox browser. Yes, the application has been invoked and we can able to see the login page. Let's see this output also. So we successfully executed by the Maven folder structures. Fine. So this is what the very simplest way to create a Maven project and work on the Selenium WebDriver script. Thank you so much for watching the video. Happy learning.